Hello everyone, today I am here to give you the most honest review about the book Meet the Need, written by our Dr S K Singh sir. Yesterday I received it from Amazon, and you will also purchase it from Amazon and also get some discount there. So let's see. So this is the cover of book Beat the NEET Biology topic wise MCQ. Yesterday I read it for 2 hours and literally I fall in love with that book. It's amazing for student who is preparing for NEET examination. Here you got topic wise MCQ based on NCRT, cover all images based question, past 10-year NEET wise question paper with explanation, NEET 2020 paper explanation with NCRT reference and miscellaneous questions. So, okay, let's see something more. Here is your content. So here is your content of class 11 and class 12 there. And in this book, from every chapter, we got 100 to 122 MCQs, and I think it is a quite enough for preparing NEET examination, for practicing the question. So that's it. I love this book, and thank you so much, sir. It is a wonderful. Thank you so much.